What would you change if you could change anything?
Take out the shower scene?
Jay, I'm Danny.
Danny, pleased to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. So, I saw you looking at me across the room like you wanted to dance.
Exactly.
So, what's the story? How do you know?
I'm so happy. Well, I'm here because of you.
What? Stop it.
I purchased your course about a week and a half ago.
Okay.
And I've been trolling you on YouTube for probably at least a month now.
Nice.
And I thought, wow, this is something I really have to check out. I found you through Chris Atkins' channel.
Okay.
Car Wash Chronicles.
Love him.
And looked at that, and then you sort of popped up on the sidebar. And I'm like, very impressed. Well, I'm in St. Augustine now. I spent the last 40 years in Key West as a building contractor.
Oh, nice.
Doing high-end residential and light commercial.
That's smart because the houses fall apart every hurricane season, right? And then you just build
not
them
even
back
that.
up.
Between the termites and the rot,
Yeah.
It's all good.
Same in Arizona with termites.
Exactly.
You either have them or you're going to get them.
Everybody has them down there.
So so you kind of found me through looking for businesses, really, because that's how people find Chris.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think of the course?
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
What would you change if you could change anything?
Take out the shower scene?
Well, that's for your wife. Or future ex-wife.
There you go.
I love to laugh about the shower scene.
So I found you that way, and I was.
So you never hired me for a consultation.
Well, not
so
yet.
Here we
It's
are.
New. It's new.
Here we are.
I was going to wait until I met you.
I love it.
I wanted to see just how real you actually were. And
I'm shorter in person, but beyond that.
I'm impressed. I mean, you are as real as you show up on YouTube.
You know what? I've always done very well when it comes to money. None of it, much of it is luck, but it's also understanding markets, I think. Like with real estate right now, I just bought a house today.
Is that a good time to buy real estate?
Yeah, it's always a good time to buy real estate if you sit and wait. But that's not what my channel's about. No. Knowing what I know about laundromats, I don't want to leave people hanging. I really, and I'm not a bullshitter. I don't need to be.
It's obvious.
And thank you. So not selling anything is a big part of it. And for those that don't want to get involved and don't want to do it right, they're not going to, a lot of people see me and they think, well, this guy's very over the top, but I'm opinionated because I kind of know, and people like you help me because you're going to be scouting stores and helping.
Well, I watched all your YouTube presentations very closely, and I'm amazed at your negotiating skills.
Thank you.
Very subtle. Some subtle things going on there. They're very, very good. That probably a lot of people don't get. I don't know. And I'm amazed at your patience with your clients.
Yeah.
You're an amazing educator, both sides. Your clients and also, the owners, that you end up dealing with and negotiating.
Well, that truly means the world to me. Thank you.
That's
I don't normally
true.
go to these kinds of events, but I've been drugged, kicking and screaming into normally my own events.
I'm very happy you're here. When I saw it come up, I just gotten back into town. I just drove from Colorado like 2 days ago.
Nice.
Just got here and that popped up. I'm like, oh my God, Orlando, I gotta be right there.
So what do you want to ask, if anything? Maybe nothing.
No, I want to hire you and I want to work with you.
All
And
right, good.
we're gonna get some stores together.
Well, the way that works, consultation comes first, and then you have my phone number.
Yeah, no, exactly.
It's
I understand.
literally, there it is. That's it.
I've got that.
There's no bat phone. There's no hidden compartment. It's just, if you text me at 3 a.m., I'm going to be pissed, but I'm going to get the text.
Again, the only question in my mind is that I'm newly back in Florida.
Okay.
Is where would be the best area to be if I want to?
Because you haven't picked a home yet.
I haven't picked a home yet.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I figured that's what you said.
Yeah, it really doesn't. Once you have you scouted? Have you looked at stores?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
I actually put some spreadsheets together and started looking at stores,
Awesome.
what they have, what they're charging, what they potentially make based on a few different things. But
people are usually astounded when you first walk into one how utterly disgusting it is.
Oh my God!
I mean, when you find the gems, and at first I can't believe this exists. The payphone is something I pick on. I can't believe there's a payphone, but they're still there.
That's
they're
amazing.
still there.
That's
yeah. You heard it here first. Jay is my latest client. Here's to you. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.